How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can open disk tray in your Xbox 360. Now, it's going to be extremely simple. You simply want to go ahead and navigate through your Xbox right here. Now, this is going to be the front view of the actual Xbox. And then you want to go ahead and locate the eject button, which is going to be this one. So just press on it. It's right beside the bezel, and from there you will be able to eject your disk tray. Now, if your disk is stuck, you can also navigate through the eject manually button. Now you will be able to find this around your Xbox 360. So just look for a small hole that you can simply poke with a paper clip, and from there you will be able to manually open up the disk tray. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.